I actually enjoy this $10 screen protector more than Paperlike. Tony here, we talk art and design tech. Consider subscribing. 6 reasons why Tech Armor is better than Paperlike. Reason 1, the Tech Armor matte screen protector costs $10 for 2 matte screen protectors. Meaning, if you replace your matte screen protector on your iPad every 6 months, like some Paperlike users, you could buy 4 years worth of screen protectors with Tech Armor for the price of just 2 Paperlike screen protectors. So that's 8 Tech Armor screen protectors for the price of 2 Paperlike screen protectors. Reason 2, now that I think about it, Tech Armor and Paperlike screen protectors are packaged almost exactly the same, including a microfiber cleaning cloth to brush away all of the dirt on the glass surface before applying the matte screen protector. One thing that I like about Tech Armor's packaging versus Paperlike is they provide a nice sized piece of plastic for pushing out the bubbles in your screen protector after application. Reason 3, Tech Armor's matte screen protector has an instructional video similar to Paperlike on how to apply the matte screen protector. However, after you have applied a few screen protectors, it's pretty straightforward, so I don't use this video, but it is nice that they had it available. Before the next reason to consider Tech Armor, question of the day: what are important features that you have to have when considering a matte screen protector? Put it below in the comments. Reason number 4, when it comes to the overall texture of Tech Armor's matte screen protector, I can say that it feels similar to Paperlike and it offers a bit of additional resistance. The most noticeable thing with Tech Armor was how fluid it felt drawing. Literally, the moment that I put the matte screen protector on my iPad Pro, I was drawing for about 30 minutes. It just felt so intuitive and very enjoyable. I feel like my drawings look better. I'm not gonna say it makes you draw better, but I think when you have that comfort and it feels natural to draw, if you enjoy drawing in your sketchbook, you'll enjoy drawing on your iPad. It won't be the same for everyone, but honestly, I was enjoying myself using this screen protector. Reason number 5, when it comes to writing on this Tech Armor screen protector, what I really liked was how smooth it felt. Sometimes with the Paperlike screen protector, I noticed that there's like a waxy texture on the surface that gives some resistance, but almost feels like an eraser. I really like how Tech Armor feels more like a pen or like using a marker. I can't really describe it, but it feels very smooth and intuitive for writing and drawing. It was the most fluid screen protector that I have used so far for the $10 price range. Reason number 6, this matte screen protector offers a very comparable glare resistance when using under direct lighting to Paperlike. And just like Paperlike, you're not gonna have a bright light shining into your work, sabotaging your creative experience, which is great. Overall, when it comes to wear and tear, Tech Armor takes the lead as it doesn't show as many marks and scratches as using the Apple Pencil with brands like Paperlike, which for me is a great selling point. It's cheaper, more enjoyable to use, and not ruining my Apple Pencil. That's a win for me. If you're considering a matte screen protector that is fun to use and affordable long term, Tech Armor is a brand that I would recommend. Links below if you want to grab one today. I have tons of other screen protectors that I will be testing in the coming months, so subscribe to see those comparisons and watch this video next to see my complete thoughts about Paperlike.